let's go over how to draw a creepy pumpkin here. I think it's going to be fun. All right, let's get started. We're going to go right here, pull down for kind of the eye area. Line over here. By the way, happy Halloween, by the way. It's the season. It's really excited, and I hope you are too. Like I said, definitely share the video or, hit the like because I'm going to post a Halloween drawing video every day. Maybe more than every day if you guys share it enough. Down right here. And curve down here for the eye area. And line here. We want it to have kind of that angled, scary look. And the difference between this pumpkin is I really want to give him eyes. So curve right here, curve right here, curve right here, curve right here. And then maybe you can right here for the pupil, the iris pupil right there. We're going to fill in this area. Right here. And then curve for the actual pupil. Sorry, for the actual pupil, we're going to curve right there. Fill that in, except for a highlight. So it already makes for some kind of a scary look. So I'm digging that. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. Curve. Let's go over here. We're going to do line and line over here for the smile. It's going to be a pretty big smile, okay? Down. Curve in right here. Curve in right here. Curve up. So it's already like he's going to have a very big grin of a smile, which is, again, kind of what I'm digging. Line right here. Line right here on the sides. And then we're going to curve underneath. Like so. All right, let's go over here to the sides, and we're gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down over here, up, down over here, up, down over here, the little teeth. All right, we got little teeth, and it looks like it's really biting in. There's something really creepy about the little teeth thing. Out over here, just kind of giving a little bit of a hint of aggression to that smile. Remember, this is a pumpkin, so we're going to draw a line right about there for the top of the pumpkin. A little bit more. Pull out over here, over there, and for the top right there. Line. All right. Out, down. Out over here, down. So this is now the outside of the actual pumpkin. Curve, make this a little bit bigger to match this side, and we're going to curve down over here. Curve down underneath, pull up, and curve around the corner here, up. Line, line, line. We're going to throw a line over here on this side, line, line. And we're going to kind of, what we're going to do, by the way, don't forget to check out the free links in the description. There's a free How to Draw Cute ebook. It's a 20-page ebook that I think is the best thing I've ever made. I used to sell it, but it's my gift to you guys now. But yeah, go check out the link. You can draw anything cute after that for pretty much the rest of your life. Like, you'll know from now on how to draw cute stuff. So go check that ebook out. Gonna go over here, down, down, drawing the shape of the ridges on the pumpkin itself. But like right here, for example, we're gonna draw a little bit like it's connecting, just a bit. Over here. Over here. Line over here. And so let's add some detail into this guy, right? So for example, I'm going to add a shadow, this creepy pumpkin here, this creepy jack-o'-lantern, underneath right here, like there's a shadow forming underneath his like there's a thickness to the pumpkin. It's forming a shadow onto the teeth. And then I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw thinner lines right there to show the teeth, you know, in the gums, and like going into the gums there. All right, here downward, kind of pulling these small teeth downward as well. And maybe finding them going into the gums at the bottom here. And then maybe filling in the sides, because there's usually like a little negative space on the side. By the way, name your favorite Halloween movie. I don't know mine, but I do love the Friday the 13th movies. But name it so I can watch it. I'm trying to like look at more Halloween movies. I like, oh, what was that? I can't remember, but there's a lot of Halloween movies that I really like. But like, you know, give me one and I'll try to line over here. See, it's getting creepier and creepier, this pumpkin. With the more, it's almost like the more little detail we throw into it, the kind of weirder it is. So maybe the lines right here around the sides of the eye as it's crunching in, right? There's some folds around the eye. Maybe curve right here. I don't know why this like bulging underneath the eye always makes stuff looks really creepy. And maybe even some darkness kind of curving around in the depths of the gums right there. You know what I mean? That could kind of help as well. Anyways, you guys are amazing. I hope you have an amazing time. What I want you to do is to share the video for the Halloween cheer. If you share it, I'll make more than 2 drawings a day if you guys want it. But yeah, like I said, it's awesome time of year. I'm excited. Hopefully you are too. And I want you to actually stick around. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.